Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's open Premiere Pro and import your desired footage into the timeline. Once your clip is in place, create a new black video item from the project panel. Drag this black video onto a video track directly above your main footage. Make sure its length matches your primary clip. This black video will serve as the foundation for our circular mask, allowing us to precisely define the frame's shape and position. Now, with the black video layer selected, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Opacity property, you'll find a set of masking tools. Click on the Ellipse Mask tool, which looks like a circle. This action will instantly create a circular mask on your program monitor. You can then easily adjust its size and position directly on the screen to perfectly frame your subject. This initial mask defines the outer boundary of our future circular frame. To make your footage appear inside the circle, simply check the inverted box next to the mask in Effect Controls. You can also adjust the mask feather property to create a soft, blended edge, or keep it at 0 for a sharp line. For a distinct border, apply a stroke effect to the black video layer. You can then customize the stroke's color, width, and opacity to perfectly complement your video. A width of 5 to 10 pixels often works well for a noticeable frame. Before exporting, take a moment to make any final adjustments to your mask's position and size. You might also consider adding a drop shadow effect to the black video layer for a subtle sense of depth, making your frame pop even more. Once you are completely satisfied with the look, preview your entire video to ensure everything is perfect. Finally, export your project using your preferred settings, and your video will be ready to share with its brand new, stylish circular frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.